National Honor Society in Psychology wishes to acknowledge the following graduates for their outstanding academic performance in achieving a BA or BS degree in psychology. Bejan Balata, Brooke Bierhoff, Nicholas Boston, Jessica Brudnick, Melissa Cornejo, Christine Cornett, Michaela Curley, Frankie DeLuce, Jonathan DeFries Weber, Dara Frederick, Christine Fernari, Sarah Garzon, Carlotta Hampton, Caitlin Healy, Alyssa Kelly, Nora Kelso, Stephanie King, Christopher Lessard, Lisa Leon Tott, Caridad Lopez, Amandine Mallet, Lindsay Marcial, Colleen Markham, Heather Matias, Melanie Maxim, Kara McCarthy, Caitlin McDonough, Zachary Medeiros, Stacy Montero, Amanda Nortrup, Gavin O'Brien, Dax Peters, Laureen Plourde, Carolina Ramirez, Eileen Rasmussen, Nicole Slade, Sable Smith, Christine Sorensen, Kirsten Stelzer, Tracy Stokes, Agnieszka Zimanska, Stephanie Tusini, Mercedes Villar, Jessica Walsh, Liz Zavala Stewart. The UMass Boston chapter of Alpha Phi Sigma, the National Honor Society for Criminal Justice, wishes to acknowledge the following graduates for their outstanding academic performance in achieving the BA in Criminal Justice. Ann Agan, Jennifer Arias, Kenneth Arico, Vanessa Bitto, Michael Bowden, Emily Butera, Nicole Cass, Justin Como, Danielle Dadabo, Peter Del Vescovo, John Demos, Sarah Garzon, Elizabeth Grossheim, Craig Guarino, Natalie Henry, Anthony Joyce, Sinead Keene, Joseph Lopez, Demetrios Marganis, Rotem Marshall White, Michael O'Hara, Evelyn Ortiz, Catherine Perkins, Lady Quiseno, Harvey Russell, Carl Russo, Megan Sapienza, Maher Sanatus, and Travis Weiner.